Hey guys, it's Derryn Wong from carbuyer.com.sg once again, where we tell you everything you need to know about buying, owning and driving a car in Singapore. Now, circuit breaker measures are slowly being lifted and we're all getting back into the groove of the new normal, out there commuting again. Now, if you haven't, please watch part 1 of this video that tells you how to get back behind the wheel of the car smoothly and safely once again. But while you may be ready for this, your car may not be 100% ready to get back out on the road. And to help us through with that, we have a special guest presenter. She's a supermum, a racing driver and fitness fanatic. We have Claire Jedrek with us here again today. Hey Claire.
Hey Derryn, how's it going?
It's great. I don't miss wearing pants at all, although I do miss driving quite a bit.
Well, I kind of hope you're wearing pants right now.
Yes, I am. I promise I am. I put them on specially just for this video alone. So yeah, so don't worry.
Okay, I'm not quite sure what to know, but you know what? It serves me right. I asked, so.
Okay, don't worry, but it's all for a good cause, right? Because after this, you're gonna go through how to get your car ready for the road with your very own Skoda Kodiaq on your side, right?
Yeah, that's right. So let's go. Okay, so I've done the door handle, steering wheel, I've done the gear lever, I've done the screen, baby seat. I think anything that you can swipe, wipe it. Well, that's the big one down. Now for the rest of the car, all you gotta remember is the 5X. First, fluids. You don't have to check every dipstick or fluid reservoir. Unless you've got major engine problems, a few weeks sitting around isn't going to make much difference to the fluid levels in your car. But just in case, have a quick look under your car to look for fresh fluid stains. A couple of drops shouldn't matter, and if there's no puddle, you're good to go. After sitting a while, your car's tires might be a bit flat spotted. That's a bit like how you can get a bad hair day because your head didn't move all night on the pillow. What's more important is to look for a flat tire in case you have a slow puncture you didn't know about. And you can assume the tires are a little flat, so top them up at the petrol station as soon as you can. Don't worry about the flat spot, it'll work itself out after a bit of driving. Speaking of the petrol station, that's where your first stop should be. So you can see about my next F, fuel. Petrol does get stale after a while and moisture condenses and builds up in the tank over time. So put some fresh fuel in, even if you still have plenty. Next F, funny sounds. There might be a little rust on the brake discs, so the first time you use them, they might squeal or sound a bit funny. That's perfectly fine and will go away in a couple of minutes. But keep an ear out for any funny sounds or weird noises. A clonk from the suspension, a rattle from under the bonnet. You know your car best, and as you get reacquainted, take a moment to be mindful of how it's sounding. Final F, full visibility. Lots of dust can settle on a car in a couple of months, and you definitely don't want it to block your view. So clean off all the windows before you set off so you can see properly out of the car. There's a lovely world out there. Why not see it clearly?
Alright, so let's recap the 5F. The first one is look out for funny fluids. Number 2 is look out for flat spots on your tires. Number 3, fresh fuel in your car. Number 4, full visibility. And number 5, listen up for funny sounds. As well as the last, well, it's not an F, but do plenty of sanitizing of your car. So anything else to add, Claire?
Well, I think just be aware, be patient. There's nowhere to rush to, no pressure, and yeah, just drive safely.
Be nice, be safe, be extra kind to everybody else, right?
Absolutely.
Cool. So thanks so much for your tips, and if you want to check out more of Claire Jedrek, please check her out on Instagram at Claire Jedrek. If you want to know more about the Skoda Kodiaq, check it out on www.skoda.com.sg. If you want more news, reviews, and everything automotive related to Singapore, check out carbuyer.com.sg. Thank you guys for watching and take care out there.